Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Substack post. First, access your Substack account by logging in. Once you are on your dashboard, look for the prominent New Post button, usually located in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Clicking this button will open a new draft. You will then be prompted to select the type of content you wish to create, such as a standard written post, a quick thread, or even a podcast episode. This initial step sets the foundation for your content creation journey. Now that you have started a new draft, it is time to craft your message. Begin by adding a captivating title that clearly communicates your post's topic and entices readers to click. Next, write your main content directly into the editor. Remember to break up long paragraphs with headings and subheadings for readability. Use the built-in formatting options to bold important phrases, italicize key terms, or create bulleted lists. You can also easily embed images, videos, or even audio clips to make your post more dynamic and visually appealing for your audience. Before hitting publish, take a moment to thoroughly review your post for any typos or grammatical errors. Once you are satisfied, explore the publishing options. You can decide who sees your content: everyone, only your paid subscribers, or a custom selection of recipients. Substack also allows you to schedule your post for a specific date and time in the future, or you can publish it instantly. Don't forget to add relevant tags. These help new readers discover your content through search and recommendations, expanding your reach significantly. After your post goes live, the engagement journey begins. Actively respond to comments and questions from your readers to foster a sense of community and show you value their input. Share your new post across your social media channels to reach a wider audience beyond your immediate subscribers. Always encourage your readers to subscribe if they haven't already, and to share your content with others who might find it valuable. Finally, take some time to review your post's performance metrics to understand what resonates most with your audience, helping you refine future content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.